Today we are going to learn about the history of pizza. What is pizza? Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world. But have you ever wondered where it came from? Pizza is a dish made with a flat, round bread called a crust. It is topped with sauce, cheese, and other yummy toppings. Pizza is baked in an oven until it is crispy and delicious. Where did pizza come from? People in Greece and Egypt made flatbreads with toppings in ancient times. Modern pizza started in Naples, Italy in the 1700s. It was called poor people's food because it was cheap and tasty. The famous Margherita pizza. The Margherita pizza was made in 1889 for Queen Margherita of Italy. It was topped with red tomatoes, white mozzarella cheese, and green basil. The toppings represented the colors of the Italian flag. Pizza around the world. Pizza became popular in the United States in the 1900s. Today, people eat pizza in almost every country. Different countries have unique pizza styles like seafood pizza in Japan or spicy paneer pizza in India. Fun facts about pizza. October is National Pizza Month in the United States. The largest pizza ever made was as big as a soccer field. People around the world eat 5 billion pizzas every year. What's your favorite pizza? Think about the toppings you like most on your pizza. If you could create your own pizza, what toppings would you add? That's it about the history of pizza. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.